Hi everyone! Today we're going to learn a song about breathing. And I have a special guest who's going to join us and learn with us. He is hiding down here. Can you come out?
Hi, Miss Lana.
Oh, hi, Bob. How are you?
I'm great. How are you today?
I'm good. Can everybody say hi to Bob?
Hi, everybody.
See all my friends at home. So, Bob, do you know what I mean when I talk about breathing?
I think so, but tell me more.
Well, breathing is something that we all do, and we do it all the time. We breathe in and we breathe out. And we can tell our body to breathe in a certain way, and that can actually help us when we're feeling different feelings like mad or sad or scared. So we're going to learn how to do those breaths that help you feel better. Sound good?
That sounds like a great idea, Miss Lana.
Oh, good. Well, first we're going to learn how to take a good breath. Okay, so I want you to think about breathing in through your nose. And we're going to breathe in like you're smelling a flower. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, smell the flower. And next, we're going to breathe out like you're blowing out a candle. You ready? Here's the candle. Ow! That hurt.
Oh, sorry. That's a hazard of working with dragons.
Oh, no, I didn't think about that. Okay,
Yeah,
well,
sorry.
maybe I'll just hold my finger further away.
Okay, that's a great idea.
Okay, good. So, we're going to learn a song to go with our breathing, and we're going to talk about different feelings. So, the first feeling we'll talk about is when you are mad. Can you tell me a time that you felt mad, Bob?
Well, sometimes my friend likes to play a joke on me, and they hide my toys from me.
Oh, no, that's not very nice at all.
No, it makes me very, very angry.
Yeah, I can see why. All right, well, let's learn a song to help you when you're angry, okay?
Yeah,
Help you get...
okay. Yeah.
Okay, but just don't burn my finger off, okay?
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Okay, all right, so I've got my magical breathing ball, and
Wow.
This is gonna help us imagine what our belly does when we take a good breath. So your belly is going to fill up with air when you breathe in, like this. And then you're gonna blow the air out and it's gonna get small again. Ready? Let's do it one more time.
Okay.
Breathe in. Blow the air out. Ow! Okay.
I'm sorry.
That's okay. I know you can't help it. It's okay.
No, that's just part of the job.
Yep, it is. It's very important. Okay, so our first verse of our song is gonna be about when you're mad. Ready?
Okay.
When you're mad and you know it, take a breath. When you're mad and you know it, take a breath. When you're mad and you know it, then your body sure will show it. When you're mad and you know it, take a breath. That was pretty good, Bob.
Yeah, I feel better already.
Yeah, I can tell. You
Hey.
look happier.
Yep.
So, now let's talk about what to do when you feel sad. Have you ever felt sad, Bob?
Yeah, sometimes.
Yeah. Can you tell us about a time you felt sad?
Well, when I'm at school and then I have to go home, I miss my friends.
Oh, yeah, that's hard. And you know, some of my friends who I teach, they get sad when they come to school because they miss their mom or their dad, grandma or grandpa. So it's hard to miss people. So when you feel sad, you can also take a breath. Okay, should we give it a try?
Great idea.
Okay, now I have a job for you this time.
Okay.
You're gonna fill in the very last word. Take a...
Breath.
Yeah,
Take a breath.
that's it. And friends at home, you can do that too, okay? Ready? When you're sad and you know it, take a...
Breath.
When you're sad and you know it, take a...
Breath.
Good. When you're sad and you know it, then your body sure will show it. When you're sad and you know it, take a...
I forgot. Wait, hold on. A breath, a breath.
That's right. Ready?
Sorry about that.
That's okay. Another feeling we might have is scared. Scared. Have you ever felt scared, Bob?
Yeah, sometimes.
Yeah? When did you feel scared?
Well, sometimes on Halloween, I get scared when the kids come to our door and they're wearing scary costumes.
Oh, like a dragon costume?
Ah!
Okay. This time, we're going to do the song, but your job is going to be even more important. Now you're going to say the whole phrase. You're going to say, take a breath. Ready?
Okay, I'm a little scared, but I'll try.
Oh, that's good. Well, breathing will help you feel more brave. Okay. When you're scared and you know it.
Take a breath.
When you're scared and you know it.
Take a breath.
When you're scared and you know it, then your body sure will show it. When you're scared and you know it.
Take a breath.
Good. Okay, we're going to do it one more time. And this time, we are going to be quiet on one word. The word that tells us how we're feeling. Okay?
Okay.
Friends at home, I want you to think of a feeling that you might be feeling right now, or maybe you felt it recently, and it can be mad or scared or sad, or it could be something different like sleepy or sick or nervous. So you get to choose, all right? And we're going to be quiet on that word.
Okay.
Okay, ready? When you're, and you know it, take a breath. When you're, and you know it, take a breath. When you're, and you know it, then your body sure will show it. When you're, and you know it. What do you do?
Take a breath.
That's right. One last big breath. Great job. So, Bob, do you think you can use the breathing trick?
I think so.
Yeah?
I'll be thinking of it later today.
Oh, good. Okay, I'm going to be thinking of it later too. Especially if I start to feel sad, if I miss someone. I'm going to take my big breaths. And you can do it without the ball. You can just pretend that you have the ball or make your belly the ball. Sound good?
Sounds great, Miss Lana. Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.